Here I have my phone Go, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb on the following device. So at the very beginning, if you would like to quickly have access to Do Not Disturb, let's just use the upper bar twice, and here let's tap on Do Not Disturb. So now you have to decide either you would like to use the total silence. So this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games, but of course you'll still be able to make phone calls. You may choose priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except from the customized settings. You can also choose alarms only, so you can just allow for the alarms. And what's more important, you can also choose some period of time when you would like to switch on your Do Not Disturb, or you may also choose no time limit right here. Let me choose no time limit, tap done. If you would like to find Do Not Disturb in settings, let's tap apps icon, scroll down, choose settings. Here you have to find and select sound, choose Do Not Disturb, and as you can see here you can customize the priority only allows. So here you may handle reminders, events, repeat callers. You can accept some calls and messages from some specified group of contacts. You can also choose some automatic rules, so you can use the schedule time. You can switch on automatically Do Not Disturb, for example every weekend, every weeknight. Let's go back. Let's also choose block visual disturbance, so you can block some visuals if you would like to as well. Let's go back, and as you can see right now the Do Not Disturb is activated, but you can simply deactivate this by using the alarms only, and right now you are in a normal mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.